Guys, what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel guys, and yeah. So guys, today's video I want to show you guys how I was able to catch this movement that happened last week, Friday last week, Friday. On Friday, the whole movement, how I was able to catch this movement. So guys, basically we understood, just looking at what the market has been doing, we saw that the market was pushing up, and I want to show you how I caught it on the 5 minutes. So we understood that we saw that the market was moving up, it's dropped, so this confirmed to me that we are selling. But I was looking, this was my initial trade. I wanted it to do this, and then I wanted to see this big drop to continue, because if you know how the market moves, the market moves impulse, correction, impulse. But the market, because we were in NFP week, we saw the market gave us something like this type of structure. It impulsed and then it corrected, and then it's just started respecting these lows, just kept respecting these lows, you know, wanting to push up. So you know, this was a bit confusing, but this I think the market makers they were trying to trap a lot of traders, making them think that we are buying, because a lot of people trade once they see this break above correction, respecting this level, they want to see the continuation to the upside. So they thought that this trade will continue up, but in fact it was still a downtrend. So we saw that the market broke below, corrected, gave us strong corrections. So now what I saw, I had this trend line here. My initial was still sells. Let me just go to the 4 hours, so you see how I was looking at it from the 4 hours perspective. So yeah, I have psychological levels that I trade with. So we can see that I had this level here. So if the market broke up this level, for me this was a buy. So this was the last level I was looking at before I can conclude that this was a buy. So the psychological level is there, as we can see. If the market closed above the psychological level, for me that was a buy. So going down to the 15 minutes, to the 5 minutes, just go down to the 5 minutes, and then I will show you guys what I was looking for. So we can see that, okay, we are bullish. We can see the market has been giving us beautiful bullish structures, as you can see, price action, beautiful structures. And then, you know, it went on. I think this was at night. It broke above. This was at night, and then we woke up. I woke up to something like this at around 9. Where's this? We woke up to something like this. Let's go back a bit to this at 9. So now looking at this, just looking at it, it looks like a head and shoulders. As we can see, there's the left shoulder, the market came, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then I'm expecting the sells. So the market, looking at this, we can see the market failed to close above. Failed to close above, and then it came down, respecting the psychological level. And we can see previously also the market respected this level and dropped down, so it gave us like a hit, tried to go back up, but it respected this level. Going on the 15 minutes, you will see like a candlestick, a rejection. We can see 15 minutes we got an engulfing type pattern. The market failed, so this was enough confirmation for me to take the trade. On the 5 minutes, I saw this on the 5 minutes, this candlestick pattern, because my initial was a sell. My stop loss was there. I was aiming for something like this. Let's go on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, so I was aiming for it to maybe come back down here, somewhere here, or I was aiming for it to be here, to come back. I never really had a a take profits. I was just aiming for it because I still wanted to see the market come. If you know how the market works, to come back to the 90% rule, which is this. This is my 90% rule. The market broke outside of this. So we're expecting the market to come and retest this 90% rule, this level here. That's what I wanted. That was what I was looking for. These was just like a correction, a huge correction, you know, trying to trap traders. So let's go back to the 15 minutes. So I never really had a take profit, but my stop loss was there. I wanted to exit as quick as I could. You know, when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This plus at 9 o'clock on Friday, with that day when we had NFP, as we can see, boom, we got this movement, this huge movement. My TP, as I saw this big move, my take profit got moved. I moved my take profits or somewhere here to this 90% rule, as I want to see the market break and continue this movement. And then it kept playing, and then boom, we closed it. But going on the 5 minutes, the 5 minutes is so interesting. As you can see, the 5 minutes gave us everything. We got our entry, it moved, stop loss was moved. I kept moving my stop losses, and then the market broke, it came back to retest, and then it just continued going until NFP came. This was the NFP candlestick, and we closed in profits, hitting take profits, hitting our 90% rule. 90% rule, as you can see, the market hits the 90% rule here on that Friday. Oh no, it hasn't hit the 90% rule. Oh, there's a desert here. Desert right here. We exited somewhere here, but the market came back. This was the 90% rule also. Market hit the 90% rule, but we're expecting for it to come back down here. But you can see we already touched. It's like we already touched the 90% rule. I'm going to give you guys a market breakdown for next week, but this is how I was looking at this trade and how I was able to catch it on the 5 minutes time frame. So guys, you just have to understand what the market is showing you. The market shows you everything. So we saw that the market came, gave us like a head and shoulder pattern, came back. I wanted to see it come back to this level. This was a psychological level. Come back, retest, and give us like candlestick confirmation. The moment I saw that we got this rejection right here on the 5 minutes, we got a rejection at around 920 right here, rejection candlestick. That was enough confirmation for me to enter. Enough confirmation. If you had this like this, you would have seen something like this. So enough confirmation to enter, and we kept floating with this thingy, this pair, and then it kept dropping. I don't know, but that is it from me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment down what you want to see next, like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Peace.